Have you ever pictured your dream home or imagined the satisfaction of being debt-free? A financial vision board can turn these daydreams into a motivating plan. Let's explore how creating a financial vision board can help you visualize and achieve your money goals. A financial vision board is a visual representation of your financial goals and aspirations. It's a collection of images, quotes, and symbols that represent what you want to achieve financially, from buying a house to saving for retirement. Visualization is a powerful tool. Seeing your goals daily can inspire and motivate you to take actionable steps towards them. It makes abstract financial goals tangible and reminds you of what you're working towards. You'll need a board, magazines, printouts, markers, glue, and scissors. The idea is to make your board visually appealing and inspiring, so choose items that resonate with you. Before you start, spend some time thinking about your financial objectives. What are your short-term and long-term goals? It could be paying off debt, saving for a vacation, or investing in stocks. Be specific about what you want to achieve. Look for images and words in magazines or online that represent your goals. For instance, if you're saving for a car, you might include a picture of the model you desire. For abstract goals like financial freedom, you might use symbols that represent growth or stability. Arrange your images and words on the board in a way that feels organized and aesthetically pleasing. There's no right or wrong way to do this. It should reflect your personal style and inspire you. Including positive affirmations and inspirational quotes can provide an extra boost of motivation. Phrases like, "I am in control of my financial future," or "every step I take brings me closer to my financial goals," can be powerful. Place your vision board somewhere you'll see it every day. This constant visual reminder can help keep you focused and motivated. As you achieve your goals, or as your goals evolve, update your board. It should be a living representation of your financial journey. While a vision board is a great tool for inspiration, it's important to pair it with action. Create a plan for how you'll achieve your goals and take consistent steps towards them. Creating a financial vision board is more than just a craft project. It's a step towards realizing your financial aspirations. By visually mapping out your goals, you create a daily reminder of what you're working towards and why. So when you look at your financial vision board, you're not just seeing pictures and words, you're seeing the future you're building for yourself. With each glance, ask yourself, what step can I take today to make this vision a reality? Come back for more financial insights and tips. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.